G'day guys, Richard here from Autospec 4x4. We're out in the Perth Hills today and we're testing the product Rhinohide, made from a sturdy plastic, similar to the stuff that you get on your hard hat. Rhinohide's the armour for your vehicle, virtually indestructible. Very handy for when you're on off-road, you're up against bushes or anything like that, from branches, stone chips, or even just a car park as well. We know what kids are like. And they no longer use a magnetic system. Rhinohide uses a quick lock system held on by these little locks here, using this key off and on in a matter of minutes. You just get your key out, unlocks easy as, on and off in about 10 minutes. Okay, very easy to take on and off. Just using your keys here, comes off. Very simple, very easy to use. It's road rated for 130 k's an hour. Easily customizable for any snorkels that you might have. Okay, we can cut that out and make sure it fits nice and snug. Rhinohide does come with 3 options. You've got your standard black, which you've all seen before. We also offer color coding as well. At Autospec, we also offer custom wrapping for your vehicle, so you can put any design that you want on your car and then be able to take that design straight off as well. Rhinohide is designed for most popular car brands out there on the market. We offer full installation, so you can buy the product itself, we can install it, and you can take it on and off as you please.
John here from Autospec 4x4. To look at a new product from the boys at Rhinohide. You've probably heard of them. They make that unbreakable armour for the outside of your vehicle. You've seen that before. It's been at the 4-wheel drive shows, it was on Shark Tank, and now they've got a new product for the rear of your windscreen. It's a clear rear window protector. Comes in a few different vehicle models, utes and things like that. The whole idea of this product is that it's sun guarding your rear windscreen. So imagine you're towing a vehicle out on the gravel roads like we have been today. Big risk for you guys if you lose your rear windscreen in the middle of nowhere. You don't really have the opportunity to get that replaced. Massive pain in the ass. The boys have brought out this new product, clips on. It uses the same quick lock system that the Rhinohide panels use. It comes in a clear plastic. You've got full visibility through your rear window. You can also customize it like we have here with your business information. Maybe you're an influencer, you're out there filming, maybe you want to just throw your business on there during the week and you don't want it on the weekend. You can chop and change between a clear panel and your one-way vision panel. So I can see beautifully out the back of this car here. I can still display the business information, and I know my rear windscreen is protected. The other advantage for those of you that have got a ute, if you've got a load in the back of your ute and that either becomes unsecured, or when you're loading up you put something through the rear windscreen, don't exactly want that. So a little bit of insurance, a little bit of peace of mind for a few $100s. You know that your rear window is protected. You're not going to have to sort that out in the middle of nowhere. It's available now on autospec4x4.com.au or rhinohide.com.au.